Sometimes when you can't find the right shape of sofa, it's almost like you wish you could just go out and build your own. Luckily with Kare, now you can with the Sofa Infinity. Now, as the name suggests, there are infinite possibilities to combine the set that you like in the shape that you love. Now, the Infinity is quite minimalistic, but it's super comfortable with this deep seating area over here, the curved backrest, and then of course this lovely lush grey material. Once you've finished building your own little oasis, you can of course pep things up just a little bit with some tone-in-tone pillows, or maybe even, like in my case, a little bit more color. Last but not least, we recommend that you get a nice little coffee table. It's just sort of the final touch. This one over here, this is our wired coffee table series, and it's absolutely stunning. You can have it either in silver or in gold, white or in black. No matter what the combination, the Infinity is the best modular sofa solution for absolutely any space. So go be creative with the best sofa so far. Get it? Best sofa so far? Thought that up myself.